contacted me through social media, said, "Hey, you haven't done desserts in a while. Can you do like a pastry or something?" And I thought, you know what? I like this time of year is usually like cranberry bliss time. That's what I did one year. I did the Starbucks cranberry bliss bars, and they're a huge hit. Well, this year I'm gonna do another Starbucks pastry called another favorite of people's. It's year round. It's called the lemon loaf. Okay? If you've never seen the lemon loaf, it's a beautiful bread. It's got a glaze over it with lemon flavor in the frosting. It's really good. Used to be my favorite when I used to eat the pastries at Starbucks. So we're gonna make it today, and this is going out to a viewer who requested something pastry dessert like. So let's get it started. Come on in close and I'll show you the ingredients. What you would expect in a pastry or bread or a loaf, dessert loaf, is flour, baking powder, some oil, baking soda, salt, sugar, obviously lemon, okay, sour cream, eggs, and we've got our bread pan right here. So I think that's about everything. I'll double check. Oh, and a little bit of milk, which Tammy's bringing home so that we can make this recipe. So by the time we're ready for the milk, she'll be here. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is add the eggs, the cream cheese, and the sugar, and mix it with a hand mixer until smooth. So we got everything here. So there we go. Okay guys, so we got it smooth, so now we're gonna add the oil slowly. You're gonna either do it yourself or have somebody else pour it in and slowly combine it into this mixture. We're gonna put in the zest and the 2 extracts, and our oven's ready to go. Go ahead. Keep mixing it. You can use a spoon or you can use a fork. You can use whatever you want, but we're going to slowly combine in our baking soda, our baking powder, our salt, and our flour. Stir in until just combined. Do not overmix this step, okay? So I'll let her stir and I'll slowly put in this mixture of baking soda, baking powder, flour, and salt. Okie dokie, here we go. We're going into the pan.
So that's what it looks like.
Yeah, looks good. It just came out as beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. We're letting it cool right now. We're going to prepare the frosting in just a few minutes, okay? Okay, guys, last step is to make the frosting and then apply it, okay? All of your frostings are always, what do you call it, powdered sugar. So let's put that in there. There we go. And then we'll take this fresh squeezed lemon juice and put it in there. Okay. Then you take your milk and that goes in there. There we go. And then you whisk it all. And that goes in there. And just keep going. Keep going. Ooh, it's magically, wow. Look at this. That's so cool. I didn't see it doing that. Wow. It's getting thicker and thicker. All right, looks beautiful. All the frosting's hardened up. Most of the frosting fell on the plate, but we got just enough on top, just kind of like at the, if you look at the coffee plate or at Starbucks, it's got just a small layer on top. Okay, guys, I wasn't that impressed, but I'm more impressed now that I cut into this. This cake looks beautiful. As you can see, you got a little bit of frosting on top. And I'm telling you right now, if you don't like lemon, I'd cut the lemon in half, because there's lots of lemon in this loaf. It's unbelievable. So let's give it a try. I'm dying for coffee right now. You have no idea. All right, let's give us a try, guys. Here we go. And once again, the cake looks beautiful. I highly recommend this recipe. Came out amazing. If you don't like lemon, cut all your lemon juice and all your lemon extract in half. All right? I got the recipe down below. Let Starbucks know you're not buying any more from them because you're making your own, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.